everyone, this is Nishtha and welcome to my channel Gadgets Unfold. Today I'm very excited as I have with me the meanest phone from Samsung, which is Samsung M51. In today's video, we'll be unboxing this M51 and also do its review and see why is it called the meanest. But before that, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for regular video updates. Before we unbox, let me give you a quick background about the Samsung's M series. The Samsung M series was started as budget phones, keeping in mind the younger generation. With each successive model, Samsung did improve its features and also made the pricing more competitive. Samsung's earlier models in the same series like M21, M31 and M31s have already dominated the Indian mobile market and have been a huge hit already. Without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. Here is the box for Samsung M51. It has a beautiful colored top. Branding on this side. I have an electric blue color with me and a 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM model. As soon as I open the box, we see the phone. Let me hold it and see how does it feel like. Well, not bad. But let me put it aside for now and see what else is there in the box. You get a 25 watt fast charger. That's great. Type-C to Type-C cable, which is very interesting. Also the quick start guide and the SIM ejector pin, which is as expected. Coming to its meanest feature, the battery. Samsung M51 is loaded with a huge, monstrous battery of 7000 mAh. This is insane. But thank God, you get a 25 watt fast charger along with it, which helps you charge your phone from 0 to 100% in 115 minutes only. You also get 64 hours of call time, 182 hours of music, 34 hours of video play. This made me wonder if this phone would be really heavy, but the body is curved and the weight distribution is so good that it doesn't feel heavy at all. I have already discussed this in my previous video on Realme 7 mobile phone. If you haven't yet seen it, no problem. I'll leave a link in the YouTube description box below. Well, look at this back panel. It looks superb. As you can see, Samsung has given M51 a glass-stick back panel, which means it's neither glass nor plastic. It is very glossy and shiny to look at, which also means that it is a fingerprint smudge magnet and scratch prone. Although the thickness of this phone is 9.5 mm, but because the sides are curved, it looks very sleek and there is absolutely no inconvenience or difficulty in handling this phone. Coming to the colors, this phone has been released in two colors, electric blue and celestial black. As you can see, there is a quad camera setup in the upper left corner of the rear, which is marginally raised. It is almost like a flat surface. You will have no issues while placing the phone on the table. If we look at the sides, on the right side you will find the power on and off button, which also works as a fingerprint sensor. Also you get the volume rockers on the same side. It is a bit difficult for me to reach for the power button and the volume button, which is on the same side. If you compare it with the Realme phones, they have fingerprint sensor on one side and volume rocker buttons on the other side, which is much more convenient to use. On the top, you can see the second microphone, which helps in noise cancellation. On left hand side, you get a SIM card tray in which you can put 2 nano SIM and an expandable SD card. On the lower side, you have the audio jack, then you have the Type-C port, and you have the microphone number 1 and the regular speaker grill. The instant side fingerprint helps you unlock the phone in just 0.21 seconds, which is very easy to use. With this Type-C port and Type-C to Type-C cable, you can reverse charge other Type-C devices. It's like you are carrying a power bank with you wherever you go, but only that it answers your call, does your messages and take beautiful pictures and whatnot. And now it's time to check out the display. Well, Samsung M51 has a huge display of 6.7 inches. You get a screen resolution of Full HD Plus and the screen is Super AMOLED Plus. Yes guys, Super AMOLED Plus display is next level in terms of color reproduction and it is much better than the LCD display. The side bezels are very thin. Even the lower chin is thinner as compared to its counterpart. The screen to body ratio is very high, more than 90%, which make for a great viewing experience and a great experience for the gamers. If you take a look at the screen, it is so bright, very sharp icons and lovely colors. And see, the brightness auto adjusts itself in the sunlight. You also get a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 in your phone, which make it scratch proof. Now coming to the camera, which is one of my favorite part of a mobile phone. It comes with a segment leading 64MP quad camera with Sony IMX682 sensor, which means Samsung has not used its own sensor as primary sensor. IMX682 is Sony's flagship sensor. You get a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. The other two you see here are 5MP macro lens for close-up shots and 5MP depth camera. In the front, you get a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is quite good for your selfies. Talking about the pictures, with rear camera you get up to 8x digital zoom. The digital pictures are very sharp, high contrast and color boosted. 64 megapixels can be zoomed to see the sharp details. Apart from that, I really love the macro and the close-up shots using the macro camera. Ultra-wide camera lets you take pictures 4 times larger than a normal picture. Also, the night mode pictures are quite impressive. There is a considerable difference with the night mode on and night mode off. This 32 megapixel selfie camera is, by the way, the highest selfie camera resolution in this range. Video resolution is fantastic. With the rear video camera, you can also shoot 4K resolution videos, so it's great for vloggers. Samsung M51 is powered by a blazing fast Snapdragon 730G processor. It is the first phone in the M series to get this processor. If you want to swipe around or open any apps, everything is smooth. It clocks a speedy 2.2 gigs. GPU is so damn powerful. So if any gaming enthusiast is watching this review, this phone is for you. You will love it. You get a smooth, lag-free gaming experience for at least 1.5 hours. Also, face recognition and fingerprint scanning is quick. Coming to its memory variants. M51 is available in two variants, the 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM. Coming to the internal storage, you get a 128GB of internal storage to store your pictures, videos and files, which can be expanded up to 512GB using the micro SD card. I did not find any issues with the call and microphone speaker qualities in this phone. Coming to the software, M21 runs on One UI Core 2.1, which is based on Android 10. Navigating experience is kick-ass. And now it's time for my final verdict. Well, my two most favorite things from this phone have to be, the number one has to be the massive battery, that is 7000 mAh. A heavy user can use it for up to 1.5 days and a normal user can use for more than 2 days. Best in range battery. The second has to be display, which is Super AMOLED Plus. Mind blowing and top quality, guys. Streaming, gaming, vlogging, any experience in the phone gets better because of display. I would say if you're looking for a phone that will make you go wow in every department, then this is the one. Samsung phone in the price range of 25k to 30k with power packed features is a good deal. With this, we come to the end of this review. If you enjoyed my review, do like and share my video. Also, do subscribe to my channel Gadgets Unfold and hit the bell icon to receive the notification for the next video. If you want me to review any gadget, do leave a comment in the comment section of this video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter @GadgetsUnfold. For now, stay safe, stay healthy and bye-bye.